Hello everyone, welcome back to Lena's kitchen. Today we will be making rustic apple tart. This tart is very easy and tasty. You don't have to get a ring tart to make it. This recipe consists of sablé dough, pastry cream or custard cream, and fresh apples. For my custard cream, I mixed 1 egg, 150 grams of sugar, 60 grams of cornstarch. I boiled my milk and I tempered my custard cream. Pour your milk on the top of your egg, sugar, and cornstarch. Mix everything well, then pour it again in your pan and boil it for about 1 or 2 minutes. Whenever your cream starts to boil, put it back in your bowl. When your cream gets boiled and you put it back in your bowl, try to mix it very well to avoid any lumps. Cover it and let it cool down at room temperature. For my short crust dough, I will need 600 grams of flour, 300 grams of butter at room temperature, 150 grams of sugar. I mix everything well until I get a dough like sand. Then I will gather my dough with 1 egg and 1 yolk. Gather your dough without overwork your dough. If you overwork your dough, you will develop gluten and you will lose this crusty part in your dough. Whenever you finish gathering your dough, cover it with a saran wrap and put it in your fridge for about half hour. After half an hour, open your dough between 2 parchment paper without adding any flour, because if you add your flour, your dough will be more hard and you will not get a good result. Open up your dough in a rectangle shape. Transfer your dough to a tray. Then spread your custard cream that it become at room temperature now. Spread it very well and try to spread it evenly. Cut out your green and red apples and try to make some patterns to get a nice and beautiful apple tart. Line up your apples on the top of your custard cream and try to make beautiful patterns. Don't forget to fill up those corners with leftover apples to get nice and crusty corners with apples too. Close those corners nicely and try to press your dough gently. Brush those corners with the egg to get nice and beautiful golden color. Spread some almonds to give your tart more taste. Bake your tart for about 45 minutes to 1 hour at 350 Fahrenheit. After taking out your tart from the oven, let it cool down a little bit. You can serve it warm or cold. This tart is very crunchy outside, creamy inside. It looks delicious and it tastes like its look. The combination between my short crust dough, my creamy pastry or custard cream, my fresh apples, my grilled almonds give my tart an incredible taste. You have to try this recipe at least once in your life. I hope my recipe was helpful and you will try it. See you in the next video. Bye!